This is page 2 of Acuity Form B. These are questions 9 through 14, which are actually pages 5 through 6 in your packet. Remember, please write your answers on the small strip of paper. Leave the copy nice for other students. Leave the questions nice for other students. Number 9. Scientists have many different ways to study changes in Earth's climate. 2 methods scientists use are sediment analysis and ice core analysis. How do these 2 methods help scientists explore climate changes? A. Both methods supply current, temperature, and precipitation. B. Both methods indicate how the climate will change in the future. C. Both methods use living matter to measure changes in climate. Or D. Both methods report climate data from thousands of years ago. 2 methods scientists use are sediment analysis and ice core analysis. Number 10. This diagram shows Earth in orbit around the Sun. Which conclusion is best supported by the diagram? A. It is spring in both the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. B. It is summer in the northern hemisphere and winter in the southern hemisphere. C. It is autumn in both the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. Or D. It is winter in the northern hemisphere and summer in the southern hemisphere. Which conclusion is best supported by the diagram? Go ahead and go on to question 11. Number 11. A student in a dark room shines a flashlight on the back of a silver spoon. Which of these best describes what happens when the light hits the back of the spoon? A. Most of the light is absorbed by the spoon. B. Some of the light reflects from the spoon to the student's eyes. C. The light splits into different colors as it reflects from the spoon. Or D. Some of the light curves around and dimly lights the front of the spoon. Which of those best describes what happens when light hits the back of a silver spoon? Number 12. The climate of places near oceans is A. is always warmer than inland areas at the same latitude. Or the climate of places near oceans B is always colder than inland areas of the same latitude. Or C. The climate of places near oceans has more temperature change than inland areas. Or D. The climate of places near oceans has less temperature change than inland areas. 13. Sometimes an aquatic system, such as a lake, can experience a huge increase in algae growth, which is called an algal bloom. Which of these human activities can sometimes lead to algal blooms? A. Clear-cutting forests. B. Burning fossil fuels. C. Fertilizing crops and lawns. Or D. Discarding plastic products. 14. Which of these conditions are necessary for a tornado to form? A. Cold air spinning and rising. B. Cold dry air, meaning warm moist air. C. The collision of 2 cold air masses. Or D. The collision of 2 warm air masses. This ends page 2. Go ahead and go on to page 3.